isang maulan na hapon. It's Sunday, it's 2 in the afternoon. Maaga kaming gumising kanina, 5 a.m. para i-test drive tong Photon Tunlan. At ang plano namin is dilin to sa mountains of Tanay. So happen, may bagyong Ramil, so safety first. Hindi muna namin yun gagawin since sasagupain natin nun is matataas na tubig ng ilog at yung lusak ng mga daan. So hindi rin natin siya may experience na maganda kundi talagang baka maging sitwasyon. And then para hindi sayang at may experience pa rin namin to, so we're going ngayon sa BGC. Ngayon nakasakay dito yung mga kids nandiyan sa likod. Comfortably, maluwag. Sabi nga ni J-Boy kanina parang tundra yung laki ng cabin, no? Tanungin naman natin ngayon si Mami She as a passenger princess, ano ang masasabi mo?
Sige. So, kukomment ko lang yung legroom. Sobrang luwag niya. So, napaka-comfortable for the passengers. Second, the infotainment. I love this one. And then, most especially yung consoles niya. Napansin ko lang kasi, yung sa iba, usually lahat ng controls nasa infotainment na, which is nice. However, ako personally, mas gusto ko yung may console. Kasi mas madali siyang i-navigate once you're driving. Sa ride naman, it's not too soft. So, napaka-smooth lang kapag kasakay ka, which is okay sa amin yun. And lastly, as a diesel car, tahimik siya. No? Looking at Daddy Jack, very comfortable
very
siya.
relaxed.
Yeah.
I-drive. Ramdam mo yung upuan mo, alam mo yun, parang nakasnag talaga siya. Tapos, even with the driver, all the passengers makaramdaman mo komportable kasi spacious nga.
Sobrang luwag.
Oh, sobrang luwag. So dahil tag-ulan ngayon, baka kailangan nyo ng jacket. So, what we have here is the enthusiast since day one na field jacket. So, ano siya, water repellent siya. So, it comes with black and yung suot naman ni Mami She.
Wearing the red one.
Yan, the red. So, available yan sa Shopee. So, mamaya bibigyan pa namin kayo ng mga comments about this car. And, yung on and off road experience natin with the Tunlan V9 and V7, mangyayari yan next week. So, inurong namin, nirisked namin, hoping na may mas magandang weather. Kasi, sayang naman yung opportunity na mag-shoot kung maulan. So syempre mas prefer natin mag-shoot and alam mo yun, ma-experience tong ganitong sasakyan yung talagang maganda yung weather, di ba? Para walang sitwasyon. Okay? So yun nga, next week ang ma-experience natin is the Photon Tunlan V9 and the V7. So ngayon, ano muna kami,